Hi, it's Krista with WTI. I'm delighted to share with you the positive experience that I've had with these Green Bulldog reusable grocery bags. First and foremost, the durability of these bags is outstanding. I've taken them on several shopping trips and loaded them up with heavy items, and they are still showing no sign of wear and tear. The size of these individual bags and the capacity that I have with a set of 3 is really impressive. They can easily store large amounts of groceries, household items, and even laundry, making them extremely practical for my daily use. One of the standout features of these grocery bags is their convenient foldable design. I can very quickly take it from a full-size tote down to a folded bag in moments and tuck it away into a small space to store until it's next needed. I also love that they thought of the fact that you might at times have heavy loads, and they've given you not only the shoulder handles, but they've also given 2 side handles that allow you to hold and lift items that are a little heavier with ease. These Green Bulldog reusable grocery bags have transformed my shopping experience in the best possible way. Their durability, their spaciousness, and their foldable design make them a must-have shopping companion for me. Plus, knowing that I'm making a positive impact on the environment by no longer using plastic bags while enjoying the convenience of these beautiful shopping bags is a win-win. And that's my point of view.